One part of our PCB that we haven't talked about yet is the green layer that typically you see on top of most PCBs. And this is a layer of what's called solder mask. And it's essentially just a protective green layer. It's typically green. Sometimes it comes in different colors, but it's a layer of, it's like a paint, but it prevents solder from sticking to parts of the board where solder is not supposed to stick. And it's not applied on places like pins. And so we can create Gerber files for those layers pretty easily in Cadence. We'll just go to Manufacture and Artwork, and we'll right-click in here and we'll do Add Manual, and we'll call this Solder Mask Top. And then we're going to select three different things from here. We're going to select in the DRC Error class, we'll select Solder Mask Top, and then in the Pin class, we'll select Solder Mask Top, and then in the Via class, we'll also select Solder Mask Top. Then we'll just press OK. We'll right-click in here again and we'll do Add Manual, and then we'll do Solder Mask Bottom. And then we'll do from DRC Error class Solder Mask Bottom, Pin Solder Mask Bottom, and Via Solder Mask Bottom. Press OK. And then we'll just select all of our Gerber files and press Create Artwork. We'll also do Manufacture NC Drill to create a drill file for our Gerbers as well. You can see that this process produced several files. It produced bottom, drill, and we'll use the second drill file. It also produced outline, and solder mask top, solder mask bottom, and the top .art file. So we'll send these to a new Gerber file, a new zip file, which will be our Gerber file. And this zip file contains all of the Gerber files that we need for manufacturing.